I'm Jackie Kruger, and I'm a business education teacher at Sterling High School in Sterling, Kansas. I've been teaching for about 16 years, and approximately half of that time I was teaching junior high English classes. The other half has been as a business ed teacher. The learning activity that we are working on is a career exploration project. It is being used in a keyboarding computer applications class for students in grades 9 through 12. And each student did some background research, decided upon a career that they would like to learn more about. And then they did some in-depth research. They created an outline to kind of keep them on track. And the culminating part of the project is a multimedia presentation, a slideshow that they will create in Microsoft PowerPoint. The primary objective of our activity is, first of all, as a learning tool, but also an assessment tool. It's designed to give the students an opportunity to demonstrate a lot of different skills as far as computers, technology, keyboarding, and so forth. And they have an opportunity to just demonstrate a lot of things that they are able to do and to have fun in the process. The students will be assessed on this activity based upon my observations of them as they're participating in it and so forth. I have created a rubric type checklist which they will use throughout the process. They can refer to it to be sure they're on track as far as the guidelines for creating their presentation and so forth. And that can also be used then by me as an assessment rubric at the end of the project. They, before they began on the actual presentation, created an outline, and that also was assessed as far as the quality of the outline. They had an option on whether they would create a typical linear outline or a graphical model. So that was a choice of theirs, but that's basically how they will be assessed. The students are at various stages of the project. Most of them are working on their slideshow presentation at this time. Some of them are still doing a little research, so they might come to a point in their presentation where they realize that they need a little information on a certain aspect of their career, and so then they stop their work on their presentation and do some more searching for information. But basically it's just a work in progress. They're doing the things that need to be done in order to bring everything together into this finished product, which is their slideshow presentation. It fits in a lot of components of the model, but probably primarily in the technology component. We involved all aspects of that component. First of all, because this is a business ed class, it's a keyboarding computer applications class, technology played a very large role. And that's probably primarily where most of the focus would be, although all of the other elements of the model feed into that, and the principles of learning and so forth are a part of it. That's probably the primary focus.